Mitosis and meiosis are both processes that are involved in the division of cells. Mitosis is the nuclear division and exact replication of a parent cell to two daughter cells. The process of meiosis involves two phases. The final product of meiosis, for example in humans, is the creation of a haploid gamete, which is a sperm or egg cell. These gametes, unlike a cell that is divided by mitosis, contain half the number of chromosomes of the parent cell. In humans, that is 23 chromosomes. In some cases, cellular growth disorder occurs called cancer. This occurs when cells divide uncontrollably and in most cases is the result of an accumulation of mutations within the cells that causes a loss of control of the cell cycle. Cancer is a gradual progression from healthy cells to abnormal cells. Most cancers begin as benign, non-cancerous abnormal cell growth. However, if the mutations continue to occur and the abnormal cells do not respond to inhibiting signals in the cell cycle, the abnormal growth will become malignant, which is cancerous. One gene within a cell, called a proto-oncogene, is responsible for healthy cell growth. If a mutation occurs within this gene and it becomes an oncogene, then it will begin to make too much of the protein that codes for cell growth. This is one of the defining features of cancerous tumors, uncontrollable cell division. Some of the defining characteristics of cancer cells are: cancer cells lack differentiation. A healthy cell has the ability to complete the cell cycle and divide about 50 times, but a cancer cell can continue to divide indefinitely. They do not undergo apoptosis, cell death. The immune system will recognize abnormal cells and trigger apoptosis, but cancer cells will not undergo cell death even though they are abnormal cells. Cancer cells do not exhibit contact inhibition. In other words, a normal cell will come in contact with a neighbor cell and cease dividing. A cancer cell, on the other hand, will continue rapid division and form tumors. They have abnormally large nucleus, and some will contain extra chromosomes. Cancer cells can metastasize. The cancer cells will start to produce enzymes that they normally wouldn't and can travel through the blood and lymph systems to other parts of the body. There is a condition called endometrial hyperplasia. This condition occurs when there is an overgrowth of abnormal cells within the endometrium. These are the cells that line the inside of the uterus. In some cases, there will be tumors or polyps present in the uterus that will cause hyperplasia. If the condition is considered atypical, then it is considered pre-malignant, and about 29% of cases will progress to malignancy.